Looking for the best free Udemy courses? You might be surprised to know that Udemy offers hundreds of free courses across some of the most valuable skills people are learning today, including Python, web development, digital marketing, AI, Excel, business, graphic design, cybersecurity, and more. For many learners, free courses are the perfect way to explore a new skill before committing to a paid program. Whether you're a student, freelancer, entrepreneur, content creator, or professional looking to expand your knowledge, free courses can help you get started without any upfront cost. One of the biggest advantages of Udemy is the variety. You can find beginner-friendly courses in programming, digital marketing, business, productivity, design, and technology, all designed to help you build practical skills at your own pace. And with AI continuing to transform industries, many learners are also exploring free courses related to artificial intelligence, automation, coding, and emerging technologies. Now, if you find a premium course that offers exactly what you need, don't pay full price right away. Udemy regularly runs promotions and discounts throughout the year, making it possible to get premium training at a much lower cost. So before enrolling in any paid course, check the description below. I've included links to free Udemy courses as well as the latest Udemy discount offers that may help you save money on premium courses. And if you enjoy finding free learning resources, verified coupon codes, software deals, and online course discounts, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.